Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to show you a special dish, that is green moong and oats tikki. So for this recipe, first we have to soak whole green gram dal overnight. So I'm just adding water for soaking. We'll keep it overnight and in the next day morning we'll prepare the recipe. So in the morning we'll add this soaked green gram dal into a cooker. Add water till the gram soaks completely. We'll also add a pinch of salt and some oil. Close the lid and pressure cook it for 4 to 5 whistles on medium flame. Meanwhile, we'll prepare our oats powder. So for this we have to take a cup of oats into the blender. Also add few cumin seeds and blend them into nice powder. Just blend them very coarsely. I'll just show you in the video. See, it should be coarse. Now let's keep this aside. Now let's take our boiled moong dal. Just mash it into a smooth consistency. To this, I am adding some boiled potatoes. Boiled potatoes keeps tikki intact. Now we will add our oats cumin powder. Now add the following ingredients: ginger garlic paste, few green chilies, salt as per your taste, some chili powder, some garam masala, and shredded cabbage 1 cup. Chopped coriander leaves. Mix all the ingredients really good. Once you mix everything, grease your hands and I'll just show you. Make a ball like this, and if you get a perfect ball, then the consistency is really good. Yeah, so this is the consistency we want for the tikki. Now keep a pan and add very little amount of oil. Let oil heat. Now we'll add some sesame seeds. Now grease your hands and make patties. See, I'll just show you here. So this is how you have to make your patty. Make all the tikkis in the same way and shallow fry them. Flip and cook all the patties till they turn to nice golden brown color. Guys, it may take time like around 5 to 7 minutes for each round. So flip them, cook them, flip them, cook them. You have to do this. They have got nice golden brown color, right? Now we can turn off the stove. So that's it guys, our moong dal oats tikkis are ready. Collect them into a serving bowl, add some chopped coriander leaves and enjoy it with your tomato ketchup. And trust me guys, the taste is really awesome. You must try this and give this to your kids also. It's really healthy when you have got moong dal, oats and sesame seeds, which are really healthy things. So please do try it and let me know how did it turned out for you. I'm taking this plate to my balcony. See how beautiful and colorful they are looking in the sunlight. Ooh, I can't wait to eat them guys. Chalo then, we'll catch up in the next video. Until then, please take care and bye bye. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, today's special recipe is jaggery based payasam made with whole moong dal. It's also known as Paruppu Payasam, and this recipe is wholesome for kids as it is rich in proteins, irons and good fats which are ideal for their growth. So, I'll show you how to make it. Let's quickly get into the video without any further ado. So for this recipe, first we'll take 1 cup of whole moong dal and soak them overnight. And in the morning, take this soaked moong dal into pressure cooker and pressure cook them for 4 to 5 whistles on medium flame. Add water till the gram soaks completely. Then we'll just close the lid and pressure cook it for 4 to 5 whistles on medium flame. So meanwhile, we'll melt the jaggery. Take half cup of jaggery and 1/4 cup of water and melt jaggery completely. So you can see that, right? Jaggery melted completely. Now I will be keeping it aside. Now keep a pan and add 2 tablespoons of ghee and let it melt. Then we'll add the dry fruits, 2 to 3 cardamom pods. Just roast them till they turn to nice golden brown color. And they are finished, and I'm just taking them into a separate plate. And now let's keep them aside for a while. And in the same pan, we'll be adding our boiled whole moong dal. Just roast our whole moong dal for a while. Then we'll add our melted jaggery into this. Just mix all the ingredients really well. So now our moong almost absorbed the sweetness. Now we'll be adding some rice flour to make the payasam thick. So for this we need 1 tablespoon of rice flour mixed with 3 tablespoons of water. Just add it as it is. So we added rice flour, right? So we have to keep the stove on low flame. Then we'll be adding 2 cups of milk. Just continue stirring for 2 to 3 minutes. Keep stirring and cook for 5 more minutes on low flame. So here I am adding 2 more elachis, and if you want you can also add a bit of salt to balance the flavor. Now let's check the consistency and turn off the stove. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, that's it guys. You can turn off the stove and take into the serving bowl. It's very easy to prepare, right? As I said earlier, this recipe is wholesome for kids. It's rich in proteins, iron and good fats. So why not? You can give this as an yummy evening snack for them, right? That's all about for today guys. I hope you liked watching my video. Please stay connected for my upcoming videos. Until then, please take care. Bye bye.